fell asleep amid the flowers for a couple of hours on a beautiful day. Daydreamed, I dream of you amid the flowers for a couple of hours. Such a beautiful day.
You're crawling on the bathroom floor. You're floating around the room and you're naked. Then you fly around the bedroom door. I'm dreaming that you dream. I'm dreaming that you dream.
Should be random adverts on this.
Okay. And can he do a triple somersault with a half twist?
Joel, I wouldn't stand there. If that breaks, get splinters.
How am I getting back?
Reverse it.
Click reverse it. Look at the top one. Oh.
You have to rest, didn't you?
Why do you do this to yourself, Billy?
Bounce on.
Why is he going out at the end? The only way you're going to get down from that is to go in.
I believe that's all it is.
That's probably you, mate. Just leave it.
What?
How is that holding it?
He's shut his arm. Trembling. Go on, mate.
Someone help him. Billy, you're above dry land, just drop.
You probably can. Your feet are already wet. You can probably put them in there.
That's the last time he Alright, Tom, you're there.
Now do the top one, Billy.
Did that.
Just scraped it.
Did you get damp?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Do a little boat. Do a little boat. Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow. Sunshine.
Come on. I can tell it from here. It's not protein.
If you were really quick, it wouldn't have contaminated the pint. Now you've got a pickled pint.
It's pour that into there as soon as you put it in. And
I think it's gone to a perfect level though, hasn't it? I judged that just right.
That's what Big Leg does. It makes the perfect egg. Then perfect. Absolutely perfect. Drink it in one and then you'll love it.
Go
Thing is, Alex,
on now.
you drink it and you're a lad.
At least have a taste.
You're a lad, but you might throw up.
You neck it.
If you don't drink it, you get the abuse.
Will he get a free drink if he necks it? Yeah, she said yeah. I'll do it for a free pint. I was joking. No, you said it.
He won't drink it.
I'm really interested to try it.
Do you want to try it? Do you want to try it?
I just want to taste it. I want to see how much it's really like messed it up.
It hasn't messed it up. Taste it. Taste
Yeah,
it.
I'm going. Oh, it's got a pube in it as well.
She shaked him off. She shaked him off. Go on, take a selfie. Hang on. And where's the button?
No, it's videoing. It's videoing.
Oh, it's video. Oh, go on then. Go on then.
Go on.
Do it quick as well. Come on. Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna slap back into your face. Like an old. Come on.
You know what? Actually, on all seriousness, you can't taste the egg.
No, you can.
Go, mucker.
But I can't neck it.
Wasn't me.
Wasn't me.
Wasn't me. Wasn't me.
Butt naked, bottom floor.
Oh!
Fucking cold!
Oh, did you just dip your balls? I told you should have just fallen back into it.
Gold! Yeah, I should have done. I should have just let go.
You tested it. The trick is don't test it. Just do it.
Why down there?
Ian, what is your junior test?
What?
Your all. A little robot.
Go on, you're going in now.
It's gold.
So dark. Oh shit.
It's really cold.
Go on, dunk yourself. Hold your nose and just dunk all the way under. I dare you.
No, I can't do it. It's too cold. I'm dark. I'm scared of monsters.
My little girl.
Charlotte, up next.
I'll just stay like this.
Looks comfortable.
Fucking hell.
Ian, swing your back. Swing your legs up.
You're not going in?
Mate, I went with it. What's the problem?
You saying you've got the minerals?
Very moist. That is cold.
Where are they?
Shit!
All the way. Oh shit. This is the challenge. Can you actually get back in the bloody boat?
It's so cold. Whew. It's quite pleasant there. I think I've got AIDS in my willy.
Could go on all
Yep.
summer. The government's going to send extra fencing and sniffer dogs to Calais to help. A light aircraft crashed into a car auction shortly after takeoff, causing a fire. It happened at Blackpool Airport. It's not clear yet if anyone was injured. 2 men found wounded around Scotland due to Liverpool. Very funny.
Yeah!
I
got back in the boat. Yeah, a lot faster.
And a bone of action proved to give 100% protection
That
in
just 'cause it
trials
was so
carried
cold.
out. Researchers say that it
I
should
do that. You had the instant shock.
which killed more than 11,000 people.